Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Christmas village in Minecraft. First, select a spacious, flat area in your world, ideally at least 50 by 50 blocks, to accommodate your festive creations. Next, envision the core elements of your village, perhaps a grand central Christmas tree, 3 to 5 cozy houses, and a bustling toy workshop. Finally, begin collecting your primary building blocks, focusing on materials like spruce planks, smooth cobblestone, and vibrant red and green wool for that perfect holiday touch. Now, let's construct the heart of your village. Start by building your houses, using spruce planks for the walls and sturdy cobblestone for the foundations. Aim for structures that are at least 7 blocks tall to give them a substantial feel. For the centerpiece, craft a magnificent Christmas tree, reaching about 20 blocks high, using spruce logs for the trunk and layers of green wool for the foliage. Don't forget to add charming details like windows, doors, and chimneys to each building. With your structures in place, it's time to infuse some holiday cheer. Adorn your grand Christmas tree with vibrant red and yellow wool blocks, simulating festive ornaments, and strategically place glowstone or sea lanterns for a dazzling light display. Illuminate the entire village by lining paths with torches or lanterns, ensuring every corner sparkles. Enhance your houses with decorative red and green banners, sprinkle snow blocks for a winter wonderland effect, and use item frames to showcase delicious-looking cookies. To complete your enchanting Christmas village, let's add those delightful final touches. Construct a charming ice rink, perhaps 10 by 10 blocks, using packed ice or blue-stained glass for a smooth surface. Near your magnificent Christmas tree, craft a festive sleigh using red wool and spruce slabs, ready for Santa's arrival. Finally, populate your bustling village with friendly villagers and various animals like sheep and cows, bringing warmth and life to your magical holiday creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.